I have every 1 gallon equals to 3.785 liters. I have 8 gallons, so I have to set it up under my gallons. Okay, remember that I do have to cross multiply and then divide across. So it should be 8 times 3.785 divided by 1, which is equal to 36.365 liters. Okay, so 8 gallons is equivalent to 36.365 liters. Is that right? Because I don't have a calculator.
I got 30.3.
I could be, as I said, like, yes, because this conversion is not the same element. So what was it? 30 point?
280.
Because the conversion I have here. Okay. Now, 7.3 kilometers squared to square miles. Do I have any formula in my booklet that goes from kilometers squared to square miles?
No.
No. Okay. Do I have one that goes from kilometer to 2 miles? Do I have any going kilometer to miles?
Imperial to metric.
Imperial to metric, and where would that be?
Miles.
Okay. So every 1 mile equal to how many kilometers?
1.6.
So every 1 mile equal to 1.609 kilometers. Okay? Now, the question is telling me kilometers squared and miles squared, or square miles. So I have to change my conversion to a squared term. In order to do that, I have to square both sides. Okay? So I have to actually square this and square that. So that would give me the miles squared and kilometers squared. So that would should be 1 kilometer squared equal to, 1 mile squared equal to what? Can you guys do 1.609 squared for me? What do you think?
2.59.
2.59, good, kilometer squared. Okay, so my first step was to make it into a squared unit. Okay, now, where do I set up my 7.3 kilometers squared? Under kilometers. So I have to set it up right here, right? Because this is kilometers squared. So I have to set it up under the kilometer squared. Right? Still the same thing. I'm still doing exactly the same thing. I just changed my direction. Okay? So, I still have to cross multiply. And I still have to divide. Right? It's just in the opposite direction. I always cross multiply the 2 numbers that I have and divide it across. So that should be 7.3 kilometers squared times 1 mile squared divided by 2.59 kilometer squared. So what do you get when you do that?
2.8.
2.8. And what's the unit? Miles squared.
Oh. Yeah.
So it's always important to look at your units, make sure that you match the units with your formula sheet. Are you guys okay with this? Okay, I'm gonna give you guys time to do the last one. It should be pretty easy because you already have them in your conversion sheet.